Imagine you want to build a new gaming PC or upgrade your current setup, but you're looking for a motherboard that's modern and well equipped without breaking the bank. That's where this Gigabyte board comes in. Stick around until the end because we'll check out every detail and you'll find out if it's really the right choice for you. This Gigabyte board is aimed at gamers and PC builders who want a solid foundation for their system. With the LGA 1700 socket, you're ready for Intel's latest 12th, 13th, and 14th generation processors. That means whether you start with a budget-friendly CPU or upgrade later to a stronger one, you don't have to swap out your motherboard right away. The power delivery, with its 8+1+1 phase VRM design, is well balanced. Sure, it's not built for extreme overclocking or running a high-end CPU under constant heavy load, but for gaming, streaming, and demanding everyday tasks, it's more than enough. A big plus is the memory support. 4 DIMM slots, DDR5 compatibility, and XMP profiles make it easy to get your RAM running fast. On top of that, there are 2 M.2 slots for high-speed SSDs, both PCIe 4.0, each with its own heatsink. That doesn't just mean speed, it also ensures stability during long sessions. When it comes to networking, you don't have to compromise. Gigabit LAN is old news. Here you get 2.5 gigabit plus Wi-Fi 6E with Bluetooth. Perfect if you want the flexibility to switch between wired and wireless connections. The ports are also up to date. A USB-C front connection with 10 gigabits per second means your case's front panel is just as modern as the rear I/O. And if you've ever tried to remove a graphics card, you know how frustrating it can be. Here you get the Easy Latch feature, which makes it a lot easier. Another practical feature is the Q-Flash Plus button. With it, you can update the BIOS even without a processor, RAM, or graphics card installed. If you're dropping in a new CPU, that saves a ton of stress. Of course, there are some limitations. You don't get PCIe 5.0 for the graphics card, and if you want to push high-end CPUs to the absolute limit, you'll hit the board's boundaries sooner. But let's be honest, for most gamers and power users, this motherboard is a really strong foundation. So if you're looking for a modern motherboard that packs plenty of features without jumping into the premium price range, you should definitely check out this Gigabyte board. So what are the advantages and disadvantages? Pros: modern features at a fair price, stable power delivery for gaming and everyday use, 2 fast M.2 slots with heat sinks, 2.5 gigabit LAN plus Wi-Fi 6E, user-friendly extras like Easy Latch and Q-Flash Plus. Cons: no PCIe 5.0 for graphics cards, less suited for extreme overclocking. VRM cooling is average under heavy continuous load. All in all, Gigabyte delivers a well-rounded motherboard here, with many features usually found only in more expensive models. If you want to build a solid gaming setup, this board is definitely a great choice. Be sure to check the video description for the latest deals. And if you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which motherboard you're currently using. That way you'll always stay up to date. See you in the next video.